In this video, I'll show you how to customize page layouts in Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Open Advanced Setup. Next, go to Object Manager and select the object whose page layout you want to customize. This can be an account, contact, opportunity, or any other object. The process is the same for all objects. After opening the object, click on Page Layouts from the left sidebar. Now, choose the page layout you want to modify to open the Page Layout Editor. Inside the editor, you can customize the layout by dragging and dropping fields, rearranging sections, adding or removing fields, and organizing the page according to your business requirements. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save to apply the updated page layout. And that's how you can customize page layouts in Salesforce CRM.